We are Ampacimon, a global world leader in advanced grid solutions, specializing in dynamic line rating and partial discharge monitoring. To address aging and critical electrical assets such as high voltage cables, transformers, or GIS, Ampacimon presents Blue Box Partial Discharge Monitoring Solutions. Based on years of expertise on partial discharge monitoring, Ampacimon's AI-based partial discharge monitoring solutions allow system operators to easily identify, evaluate, and prevent defects. Partial discharge technology reveals insulation problems emitting a sustained level of electrical activity prior to an accident. Partial discharge monitoring can be complex because of all the data involved and the level of expertise required to interpret them. Ampacimon's partial discharge monitoring solutions make it simple for both routine inspection and continuous monitoring. Thanks to AI-trained, on-cloud or on-premises PD solutions, connected to asset management systems and compatible with third-party data, Ampacimon's PD solutions allow for targeted maintenance, optimized budget spend, improved availability of assets, and reduced risks. For years, Ampacimon has partnered with transmission and distribution system operators all around the world to make the grid more efficient, more reliable. Join us, and let's lead the energy transition together.